This is Outnumbered. I'm Andrea Tantaros, and here with us today, Harris Faulkner, host of Kennedy on our sister network, the brand new show at 10 p.m., Kennedy. Stacey Dash is here, and today's hashtag, would you like to show America your socks?
Always, always. Minnesota Airport, Minnesota Red Sox.
Oh, gosh.
Breaking them out the
Look
best
at those.
one.
The best place to shop on the planet. We both love shopping at that airport. I love it.
The best place to shop on earth?
It is.
The best airport place.
$20.
Minneapolis, St. Paul
Awesome.
Airport.
Wow, you heard it here first, everybody. All right, now for the fallout. As promised, President Obama, within hours of it first on this one, no shock because the president had Harry Reid as shield, so he wasn't really having to veto any pieces of legislation. But
Heitkamp, Senator, Democrat from North Dakota, of course opposing this bill because she's
president to keep vetoing it if Republicans continue to pass this and push it.
Well, you've got some 15 refineries just doing it for political posturing or any other. They have some reasons for why they believe.
This is such a great opportunity on so many fronts. He's just, these are his extremist theories.
A majority of not just support in Congress.
That's one choice, and then the other one, I agree with Stacey. We absolutely have to get off Middle East oil. So low right now. It's not going to go up to $100 a barrel anytime.
One last thing here, Representative. Maybe he's trying to tell us something.
change theories.
Okay, so we're going to move on.
VA scandal and the scandal that was released last month. He used a word, Harris, trust, which
20 people were fired.
less people being fired under McDonald than.
What are veterans saying to you? What are they looking for? What's the one thing?
Well, funny
You're working on something right
well,
now.
funny you should mention choice. She's partisan working with Bill Frist and a Blue Dog Democrat, a number of other people involved in health care to put the veteran at the center of their health care.
Yeah.
Give a veteran a choice. For granted, these are familiar themes, Andrea. This is the type of thing government needs.
Ask you though, you talk to veterans every day.
Yeah.
What are they saying? All right, so do you remember when she ended her 2008 campaign? Because she didn't really make 2008 about being a woman. But the first thing I thought of this morning when I heard that soundbite from Hillary was the last time we heard her give a big political speech when she conceded in 2008, that was the infamous 18 million cracks in the ceiling speech that she was teeing up for this particular presidential run. Yeah. Take a listen. Kennedy, she wasn't stopped by a glass ceiling. She was stopped by a bad campaign. And she was a bad candidate.
Yeah, those tend to hurt. Every chance she gets, she talked about how one of the nurses came up to her, a more sensitive person, babies.
Selection to tee up a girl so that she could be. I'm just kidding, liberal blogs. What do you think about that, Harris?
You know, it's interesting. What is this warm purple?
It's like it does when she was in the Senate. It's not a very good place. So you remember we talked about Patricia Arquette's comments on equal pay. Well, Hillary Clinton also weighed in on that. Take a listen.
I just think that's bad negotiating.
Well, good thing you don't work for Hillary Clinton, Stace. All right, Senate Republicans offering up an exit strategy in the Homeland Security funding fight.
Gross and weird. I mean, you know, be honest, Andrea, I am a model.
We're really getting our panties in a wad over a mannequin.
Harris, when you see pins,
Mannequin, height and width. You know, I'm raising.
What would you rather your daughter see, the pin-thin mannequin with gross bones or the...
They're 8 and 5, so probably not. I guess.
They always have these tiny. They always have these tiny models, right? Because they say that the clothes lies better on the models. I don't really believe what they're saying, that it's easier for them to get the clothes on and off. That doesn't really apply.
Why not just get a smaller model with the same proportions?
I think curves are a great thing.
What I think that curves are a great thing is an excellent way to end the show on that note.
Yes.
Profound. Stay right here, everybody, for Outnumbered Overtime. Just get your computer and go to foxnews.com/outnumbered. Click the Overtime tab. We are back on TV tomorrow. You can find us right here at noon Eastern with a new One Lucky Guy. And, I don't know, new fun happening now. Starts right now.